Hi, I'm Megan. I'm a youth and family specialist here at Ascentria Care Alliance.
Hi, I'm Therese. I am also a youth and family specialist.
One of our main roles here at Ascentria is to work with families on reunification. So we've worked together to break down some of those myths and barriers to what people think of parenting and why children become involved with DCYF. Many people believe that it's bad parenting or people who don't want their children.
Absolutely. More often than not, we definitely see a bond with these children and their families and their parents, despite some pretty significant negative events. There's a lot of cultural and economic issues that contribute to a parent's ability to care for their children or even just manage the everyday stressors of life, especially when many of them themselves have not been given the tools or have been products of a rough upbringing themselves.
And it's wonderful to be able to have the ability to work with people to find those tools and build those community and family connections. It's wonderful to watch the parents grow with their children and that bond becomes so much stronger.
There is a lot of misconceptions about the parents that we work with about why children are pulled out. It doesn't always come down to generational trauma. We have met plenty of families that were stable and certain factors hit their families, whether it be financial or a death in the family or mental health issues that for whatever reason just become a little too much and they stumble, they turn to substances simply because life is just really hard, and a lot of them, given that helping hand, are more than happy to try and turn things back around.
I like walking alongside the people through these cases and seeing the growth.
I think we have a great team here too. Everybody that we work with is dedicated. We don't really find people in this field, whether it be Ascentria or even DCYF, who are really just in it for the paycheck. It's kind of a calling, and I think we do a phenomenal job.
Absolutely. And our team is certainly out there rooting for the parents.
Absolutely.
Or rooting for the kids to do better.
Our foster families really are dedicated. I just wish there were more of them. Overall, the state of New Hampshire and Ascentria Care Alliance and DCYF desperately need more foster families. The ones we have are wonderful, they're strong, they're dedicated, but unfortunately this is a growing crisis, and anyone who's willing to volunteer and step up and help strengthen the community in that way would be a blessing.
If you've ever considered foster care or being a foster parent, it's worth reaching out to DCYF or Ascentria to gather more information, especially if you are a diverse family or you're looking to diversify your family. It's worth reaching out to DCYF or Ascentria to gather more information.